How to fix Facebook dating not showing up. Let's get started. First up, what you want to do is check the terms and condition of Facebook for the dating access. So here you can see the option who can use Facebook dating. Be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old, live in a country where dating is available. So here you can find the list of the countries where Facebook dating feature is available. Check if your country lies in this list or not. In case your country is not listed over here, you won't get access to Facebook dating feature. But if you can find your country in this list, what you have to do is head back, navigate to the menu page, click on the settings icon. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in tab bar. After option appears, click on it. Click on the option customize the bar. With that, you're gonna find the list of the tabs. Here, you will find the option of dating. At the right corner of dating, you're gonna find this drop down. Click on it and set it to pin. After you do that, at the bottom of your Facebook, you're gonna find the option of dating. Likewise, you can head back, go to the menu page. Over here as well, you're gonna find the option of dating. If still you are not getting the option, what you can do is update your Facebook app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook. You'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update your Facebook app to its latest version. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. You'll get access to Facebook dating feature. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.